demonstrate a technique for reducing pain and anxiety that's helpful for procedures where it's okay to have a little bit of movement, so not dental drilling. This way of managing pain and anxiety is also helpful for the gag reflex. So basically just crossing your legs and then crossing them again and crossing them, and you can go as fast or slow as you like. You can also add the arms, so bringing the hands, palms together like this, clasping the hands, and then clasping them the other way. Clasping and clasping. And then we can put them together for an extra challenge. And this would be extra distracting, which can be really helpful to reducing the gag reflex as well as pain and anxiety. Thank you.